This is just a quick little video showing the process of rigging hair physics. Specifically the X physics, and you'll be seeing me rig one hairpiece. Partially because I think it might be interesting for some of you to see how I achieve these results, and also maybe to get an idea of how tedious and time-consuming rigging can be. Sometimes I struggle to say that rigging is hard. It absolutely can be, but most of the time it really is just time-consuming. This whole process is repeated for every single hairpiece, and then there's tons of other things that need physics too, among, of course, all the other rigging. But anyway, as you can see, I like to start big, selecting large areas of my deformer and rotating and moving them around. I find that if you work big first, it tends to achieve smoother results, as well as oftentimes being faster. I do the X physics with 3 parameters. Typically the first one being a very simple dangle from left to right, the second moving mainly the bottom part of the hair, and the third one is a little more bendy and adds life to the movement. I don't really know how else to describe it. But that's just very generally how I tend to do things. You can achieve great results with just 2 parameters, or may benefit from having more if you're rigging long hair especially. You'll want the movement to be slightly different if you're doing straight hair versus curly hair. It's always a case of try it and see what works. I rarely get everything perfectly how I want it on the first attempt, but it gets easier to gauge how things will look the more models I rig.